Hi, my name is Justine Kratanian, and I'm going to show you Spatial. Spatial is a virtual reality site that you can utilize for activities. You can go above and beyond. I'm still learning about it, but it's basically a site that has rooms already pre-created, as you can see here. Very ideal for high school history teachers, as they already have settings that are pre-created from like Japan and Europe and in the 1940s and the like. They also have space replicated rooms that you can utilize for learning. I'm really excited to use this year because we got a grant for 4 VR headsets in my classroom, and I'm going to utilize that for small groups. So I'll show you the space that I have created already. Actually, I'm going to maybe do this like you would. So you can go to create new space at the top, and let's say you want to use, I don't know, the Mountain Lounge. Inside your space, you can link activities for your students to engage with, and then there's opportunities for them to speak or chat with their classmates or their group mates, however you have that laid out. So if you can see on the bottom, it's loading the chat. Their group mates will pop up right here. So my avatar is right here. And they can say, how do you find, what was the first clue? I don't know. You can make this a kind of a scavenger hunt. And that once they press enter, it stays here in the chat with them. So you can go to share screen. You can have a backpack for them to fill in your scavenger hunt, and then you can add content. So you can use some of the images that they already have here, or you can, explore around and link these images to another site to explore with. So let me show you really quick what that might look like. Let's say I'm going to do Sketchfab. I want my kids to, I don't know, tell me what Native American tribe, oops, gosh, I can spell, tribe. So I might say, what's familiar here? Maybe what does this remind you of? And as you can see, that little press enter and the little image is going to show up in the space. I can drag and move it if I wanted to. So click and then drag it somewhere if my internet's working. There we go. And then my avatar, which is the little girl there, she can engage with it. So she might write something next to it. This is a prayer rock. And then once she presses enter and exit drawing, it'll kind of attach here. Hold on, let me get out of here. All right. So I can add other items if I wanted to, other things for them to do, or I can upload some files. So I can do a Jamboard, I can do a slide, and then once I'm ready to have my students engage with it, I click this little share button. Oops. And then make sure anyone has the link or it's your school. You copy the link and put it into Google Classroom, or you can push it out through, GoGuardian or whatever share platforms you use. I hope that this has been informative, and I hope that you guys might know more about Spatial that you can help me with, because I'm very excited to use this, hear so much about it and all the versatile ways that it can be used, especially from my random meeting with Dr. Corinna Lathan this last winter. which I guess they just put on their VR headsets and they meet. But let me know what you think, and if you know more about it. Thank you for watching.